Hi. Hello, Nintendo fans. My name is Mario Master. How are you doing today? So, I don't know. I decided to go to Goodwill. It's, footage here, and it's gonna be funny. I promise, huh? But anyway, I didn't get anything from Goodwill, but I do have this wired. I don't use this anymore. I'm pretty sure this has stick drift, but I'm not incredibly sure. But I have other means of controlling. It's a wired Nintendo Switch controller. No, actually, I think I need. What do I need? Oh, just a fill. Sorry. Now I'm hoping these are small enough to do what I'm gonna need them to do, and if they're not, well, then I'm gonna have to go get the thing, and I don't want to go get the thing, but I will if I have to. Oh yeah, by the way, when I eventually complete my forever grind of Call of Duty Zombie Mastery camos, I'm going to do a video on the road to Interstellar. Alright? And it's going to be pretty. I'm going to put a good amount of effort into it, and I'm going to explain on what I did, what strategy, and all that fun stuff. So make sure to look forward to that when I'm done with Interstellar. Interstellar is going to take me a while. I'm not even done yet. Here's the thing, right? I don't even have I don't even have all of the golden enigmas I need, let alone the Zycrons I need. Right? So, listen, I just made it to marksman rifles. I just made it to marksman rifles. And I have none of them to level, like max level, and those are gonna take a while. Marksman rifles are gonna take a while. I can already guarantee you that. And then I have snipers and all that fun stuff. Right here, I'll put in like how many more I need to go, and it's a lot. So. Craftsman, sponsor me, please. I would love nothing more. Now, I've taken apart controllers before on this channel. Oh, it just won't come out. But, never a Nintendo Switch controller. I've taken apart an Xbox controller, a PlayStation controller, but never. Actually, I don't believe I've done a PlayStation controller on this channel. I have taken one apart though, so. Alright, I'm gonna do the magnet magic trick. Try to say that 5 times fast. I actually don't know if I'm unscrewing this one. I'm gonna go get my thing if I need it. Hold on. Will this work? No, oh, I need my thing. I'm gonna go get my thing. Alright, I have my small boy screw set. Because, like, the thing, I have an extension. Oh, does this have a magnet in it? It does. Ah. I'll have to remember that. I just did the magnet trick and I didn't need to do the magnet trick. Alright, I'll have to try to remember that. Alright. I got the smaller boy here. Hopefully I'm gonna have better success. If I don't, well, I'll think of something funny, I guess. Maybe, probably not. Why did I take away the screw that was working? I'm such an idiot. Dude, there's so much melted plastic on these pliers. I can't remember why. Didn't I melt a balloon boy on that? I don't know. I'm gonna see if I have evidence of that on my YouTube channel. God, I fucking love these little screwdrivers. They're so nice. If they weren't so expensive, I would get one. I want one of those, like, tiny automatic ones that you can get. But like I said, they are extremely expensive. I'm honestly surprised that it's Phillips head. Nintendo's pretty famous for their Y screws, which if I find a picture of, I'll show it here. There we go, that works. The shake strat. Alright, I've already forgotten on what I've done for screws here. Think I just need to get these corner ones, yeah. Okay, for some reason I started thinking of Chicken Little, like the animated movie by Disney. That's horribly underrated. Please go watch it. I should totally do a movie review of that. It's horribly underrated. But there's like one part in the movie where like two characters are singing that one song. Do you want to be my lover? You know that song? Don't play it here because copyright. You know what? I think it would be really funny if I just cover it, but like if I do a cover of it, and but like all I say is like to copyright, like just say the word copyright. You know? It's like all I want is the copyright. I don't know. You know what I'm talking about. I'll like flash a picture of it on screen or something like that. Put like a 1 second clip of the song. I'll think of something.
If you wanna be my lover, you gotta.
Well, editing. Honestly, so far, all the screws in this controller have been quite nice to just remove, you know? Like, none of them have been sticking. None of them have given me trouble. It's all very nice. Great job, Nintendo. I very much appreciate I very much appreciate the quality of this controller. Alright, so I should just be able to blomp, do that. Huh. Nice job in the reverse engineering chip. Actually, it feels pretty quality. So, let me explain. So, right here, this is the chip, right? So they put this here. So you can't reverse engineer the controller. This is actually fairly common practice. I think it's extremely annoying and it just kind of looks weird. But they did quite a good job on it, honestly. What happened here? Ew. That's gross. I'm not sure what's going on there. What are these, just the rumbles? Nope, magnets. Yeah? Huh. Oh, probably weights. These are just weight. Why? You can make the controller so much lighter. I'm gonna take those out for now. Let's see. Can I honestly don't plan to use this again. Oh, I gotta do the trick. Where? Right here. I gotta do this. Yeah? Maybe? Maybe? Yes. Oh no. What? Oh, weird. It's like its own little arm. That's interesting. Well, so how does the board come out? Because, like, it's not cut. And the buttons don't just come out. Like, the bumpers just don't come out. Yeah, that's so interesting. I wonder why it's like that. I'm gonna see if I can't remove these screws on the motherboard here. God, could that be any fucking louder? I really hope you guys can't hear it, but I can, and I'm always afraid of copyright. Oh no, I'll probably add some like music in the background. Well, there go the D-pad and all the buttons. Oh my god, they went everywhere. Alright, so this looks pretty basic, honestly. So that goes right there. Oh, you know what? That is actually really cool and nice. They've marked it so you can't get it wrong. Well, no, you still can. Like, if you just don't know. It's D-pad. They did that with, like, the home button and stuff, but with nothing else. Interesting. I'm not sure why they did that. Okay, I'm not sure why one prong is bigger than the other. It's plus. Should be a plus minus. Or is it minus plus? That makes no sense. Okay, I guess it's minus plus. I guess that's kind of nice. Alright, now for button orientation. Uh-oh. Alright, it's right here. So we have A, Y, B, and X. So here's a picture of an actual Nintendo. My light up controller. I can tell it from here. Alright. I should just know, but I don't. Right. This is upside down. So A needs to go there. Oh, maybe it is like oriented specifically. If so, that's really nice. They are. Ah, see, thank you, Nintendo. That is so nice. I didn't need to grab this. The prongs here, I don't know if you guys can see that, hold on. The buttons have these little prongs here. And on the controller, I don't know if you guys can see that, there's little prong holes. So they made it so you can't mess it up. That is really nice. This is so friendly. Oh, I wish every controller had that. That is so nice, dude. Obviously from here you can take the buttons off if you needed to. Look how gross that is. But like, you can take these off pretty easily. There you go. Get that back on. Nice chip. And then bam. I'm fidgeting and I can't move. Something also great is that they're all the same size too, so Nintendo! Thumbs up from me. Honestly, this is extremely repair friendly. Did my magnet trick not work? No, it didn't. I mean, honestly, if you're looking for a nice cheap controller that like is, if you're afraid of breaking, just get one of these, man. These are very nice, honestly. Oh, I fucked it up. Hold on. I know there were some screws that attached this to the motherboard, but which ones were they? So this one and this one. Oh, I was right. It just felt like it didn't go in right. There we go. I think I just maybe messed it up accidentally. I don't know. Whatever. I figured it out. As I normally don't do. That in there. Alright, nice. And we'll put the weights back in, I guess. Those slip in very nice, by the way. Once again, man, I have to say, this is just incredibly nice quality. If, like, it kind of feels cheap, but it's not cheap, you know? It's just nice controls. Just nice everything. I like it. And I think you can buy these controllers for like $20 at like Walmart or something. Honestly, my only thing about this controller is that you do need a tiny screwdriver, but like you can buy these sets that I have for fairly cheap. I'm not sure where my mom got it, but I like it. I mean, you just need this. I mean, tiny screwdriver. I'm using a PH00 Phillips head. So if you have one of those, you're set. Uh-oh, I'm missing a screw. Where'd it go? Oh shit. It's gone. Oh, fuck. I don't know where it went. Good enough. Should have honestly put that one in a corner, but whatever. Alright, well, other than me losing a screw, which is my fault, I will admit to that. I'm not sure how, I'm not sure where it went, but whatever. I don't care. Yeah, I mean, for someone who hasn't, like, for someone who like hasn't taken apart a controller before, this is honestly like a nice starter one. Just a wired Nintendo Switch controller. I recommend it. Nice. That's it though. Thank you everybody so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out my Twitter, Discord, and Patreon. All in the description below. Patreon is $1 a month. I do extra videos. The Twitch is also down there now. I try and stream on Twitch. And if you're curious, this is the set. Alright, cool. Peace, bye.
Now we never again. I feel like I'm flying now. You make it so